You are going to love the 2012 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, leather upholstery, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.